Hello students, today we are going to talk about the topic formal letter. So let's begin. Coming to the format, we begin with the sender's address, which is house number 152, sector 22A, Chandigarh, followed by a pin code full stop. Now children, who is the sender? You are sending the letter, so you become the sender and hence you will write here your own address. Okay, so comma, full stop, very important. After writing the sender's address, that means your own address, you come to the line. So here you leave a line and you come to the date. After writing the date, children, again you leave a line and you come to the receiver's address. As you can see here, a receiver's address. So it says the principal, St. Stephen's School, sector 45B, Chandigarh, followed by the pin code 160047, full stop. Again children, comma, full stop. So very important. So first we begin with the sender's address, leaving a line, coming to the date, again leaving a line, coming to the receiver's address, again leaving a line, coming to the salutation, sir. After that put a comma, very important, and then you begin with your first paragraph, children, which should begin like I wish to state. Clear children? So sender's address, receiver's address, commas and full stop, very important. After salutation also we have a comma. After you are done writing your first paragraph, children, you come to the second paragraph, and before that you need to remember that you have to leave a line. So after you're done with your first paragraph, children, you will leave a line and you come to the second paragraph, which says I am unable. So you will begin your second paragraph with I am unable. After you're done with your second paragraph, children, you will come to the third paragraph and you will leave a line before that. So after you're done with your second paragraph, leave a line and come to the third paragraph, which should begin like I will be highly. Okay, after children you are done with your third paragraph, you will again leave a line and you will come to the subscription. So one thing which is similar, that means here also your letter will be divided into how many paragraphs? Yes children, so your letter will be divided into 3 paragraphs. Okay children, so after you're done with your paragraphs, you will be leaving a line and you will be coming to your subscription part. Thanking you, yours faithfully, complete name. So your complete name, children, very important. Okay children, and this comma, this your complete name. Let's see the question, children, so that we understand. So write an application to the principal requesting him to grant you leave for 2 days as you are unwell and cannot attend school. Clear children? Let's see how we will write this one, keeping in mind the format that we just studied. So keeping in mind the format, children, we begin with the sender's address. So house number 152, sector 22A, your city, pin code, full stop. Again children, comma, full stop, very important. So this becomes your sender's address. That means your own address. After writing your own address, that is the sender's address, you will leave a line, and you will come to the date. One thing that you need to be very particular about, children, is that when you are writing the date, this TH written with it, it should not be hanging up in the air. I told you this thing in your informal letter as well. Whenever you are writing the date in the letter, children, this TH should be written on the line along with the date, not up in the air. So very important. In this manner only you will write the date. So sender's address, children, leave a line, then write the date, again leave a line and you come to the receiver's address. So who is going to receive it? The principal, the head of the institution. So the principal, St. Stephen's School, sector 45B, Chandigarh, followed by a pin code, full stop. Very important children. Comma, full stop, comma, full stop. Very important in sender's address also and in receiver's address also. So sender's address, leaving a line, date, again leaving a line, coming to your receiver's address. One thing which you need to keep in mind, children, is that whenever you are writing this principal, that means Who is the principal? The head of the institution. So it has to be in capital as you see, but then the spelling you need to be very careful about. Most of the times you go wrong with this spelling. You write P-R-I-N-C-I-P-L-E. Children, that is the science principal. We are not going to use that spelling here. The head of the institution has this spelling, P-R-I-N-C-I-P-A-L. Okay, so be careful about it. The principal, comma, St. Stephen's School, comma, sector 45B, comma, Chandigarh, followed by a pin code. After that again, children, you leave a line. Clear? After leaving a line, you write the yes salutation and again you put a comma. Okay, children. Then you come to your first paragraph which says, I wish to state that I am a student of class 6A of your esteemed institution. I am suffering from high fever since last night. The doctor has advised bed rest for 2 days. So in paragraph number 1, children, you are stating the class and the section, and then you are stating the reason that why you are not able to attend the school. So children, here is it written. Here it is written 6A, but then you will write your own section once you know it. Okay, so that you're introducing yourself. Now that which section you belong to. Okay. After, children, the first paragraph gets over, you will leave a line and you come to the second paragraph which says, I'm unable to attend my classes due to ill health. So kindly grant me leave for 2 days, that is for 25th April and 26th April. I assure you that I'll complete my pending work as soon as I recover. So this becomes your paragraph number 2, wherein you're talking about your ill health and you are talking about the leave that you want for days, the duration you are here, mentioning, and you are assuring the school authorities that you're going to complete your work when you will recover. Fair enough? After, children, you're done with your second paragraph, you come to your third paragraph after leaving a line. Very, very important, children. Leave here. Also, you're leaving a line after first paragraph. The second paragraph also you're leaving a line. Got it? Then you come to the third paragraph which says, I will be highly obliged to you for this act of kindness. So you're actually thanking towards the end. Clear, children? So this becomes your paragraph number 3. And after that again, you leave a line and you come to the subscription which says, thanking you, comma, yours faithfully, comma, your complete name. Children, not to forget your complete name. So sender's address, leaving a line, date, again leaving a line, receiver's address, again leaving a line, salutation, body of the letter, which means first paragraph, second paragraph, third paragraph. After every paragraph you are leaving a line. So body of the letter means beginning, middle and the end. Clear? And then you are coming to the subscription which says thanking you, comma, yours faithfully, comma, your complete name. Clear, children? Easy to handle. So children, once you are thorough with the format, once your format is correct, the letter becomes very easy to frame. Isn't it? Clear, children? Hope you'll be able to handle the questions related to it. Let's just see. What do they say? So assignment, children, to be done in a notebook or loose sheets. Write an application to the principal of your school requesting him to exempt you from playing games as you are not keeping good health. 1. And number 2, write an application to the principal of your school requesting him to grant you leave for 3 days as you have to attend your sister's wedding. So both these questions you will be able to handle, keeping in mind the format that we studied, and the sample letter will be great help because that will actually tell you about how to write these ones. Clear, children? Stay safe, children. God bless you.